What's up, guys? Welcome back to Static Works.
It's cold. So cold.
It's too early for this shit, dude. What time is it? 7:36.
It's not that early.
That's pretty early.
Rest in peace, iPhone.
Today we're gonna be heading to Victorville. It's about a 2-hour or 2.5 hour drive from my house. Exactly. We're gonna go buy some wheels for my E46, and I'm pretty excited about it just because those wheels are sold out everywhere. And once we get them, I'll talk a little more about them.
I want bacon, egg, and cheese McGriddle.
Anything else?
No, that'll be it.
6:36.
Okay, love you, thank you.
You're so stupid.
What's so wrong about that? What I do?
We have to love every single human being in life.
Yeah, this is Static Works.
And what if she must
Positive,
love her?
Danny.
You still
Positive.
gonna love her?
Yes, because she didn't mean it. Okay. What are you doing? There is a little, what would you call that?
I don't know, but every time you guys go somewhere, something always happens.
Yeah, there's always something in the back whenever we pick up my grandpa's truck. Well, anyways, that thing was flying up in the air, and we were scared that it was gonna, fly out and kill someone. So we had to take a little break, and you're scared, huh? You're scared.
Between the freeway.
We've been on the road for like two days already. We're so hungry. We haven't eaten a thing.
God damn it, we're literally driving 3 hours away.
So right now, Danny is pulling out money. We had to look for a Wells Fargo. So much unprepared. Man, you think this guy will be prepared, but he's never prepared. Then he has to take a shit. So now he's gonna ask the guy, can I use your restroom so I can think about it? But in reality, he's just gonna go and take a shit and just leave it. What a dick. He's gonna leave a massive one. Like, they're like huge, the size of my head. He had to take his girlfriend Stephanie because he was afraid to go. He's all, you guys go with me. It's like back here. He's like so afraid to be alone. So much weird.
We just got here and it's cold as fuck. Look at this. Look at this. That's freezing. But it's kind of like in the middle of nowhere. It's kind of cool though because you're kind of isolated from everyone. But let's see the wheels. I did tell him we were gonna record here. He was cool with it. So let's see what it says. Like the paint and everything.
What's going on, guys?
What's up?
How'd you guys drive?
Pretty far.
Pretty far? Like a good 2.5 hours?
Yeah.
I got the first one right here.
Nice.
Ooh.
All over you, Danny.
So, what do
So-
you think?
These are the carbine sprints, or carbine sprints. I think they're carbine sprints. These things are sold out everywhere, so I tried looking for them used, and this is the best deal.
I have a 350Z that I'm fixing up right now. Doing a whole swap because I blew the motor on it back
DE?
in September. Yeah, it's a DE rev up.
Yeah, he has oil pressure problem.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have to
Yeah,
swap
that's
his.
what happened. I was noticing my oil pressure wasn't going past 30 on hard acceleration.
Oh,
Pumpkin.
hello. You came to me, see that?
It smells like dribble.
It
You
doesn't
can tell by
do,
the tires.
yeah, it doesn't do much in the open diff, but I'm welding the diff and stuff now too.
That's sick, dude.
Diff bushings are worn out, so I'm changing those out. Fun.
The headlights are nice. Normally on Z's and G's, the headlights always kind of get like that.
Yeah, I gotta give my homie Ducky the plug. If you're on Instagram, go follow Dusty to Ducky,
Shout out.
because he's the thing for these glorious headlights.
We literally are in the middle of nowhere.
Either like RPF ones, like
So many dirts, so many land.
Okay, so we just finished getting all the wheels and talking to the guy. shout out to him. He's really fucking chill. We gave him a free static slap to rock on his Z because he is gonna be building it, so it's gonna be pretty dope to see that. But we literally parked in the middle of fucking nowhere just to show you guys that. You know what he's doing? Yeah, he had a hickey on his neck and he's doing the lipstick trick.
Why are you telling them?
Cause it's funny.
But yeah, we're literally in the middle of nowhere, but we pulled over to show you guys the wheels and give you guys a better look. How you doing? Hey, ooh. We are gonna be dropping those hoodies, so that'll be dope to do a little shoot right here for her. That'll be pretty sick, so we're gonna do that too, but let me show you the wheels real quick. These are already on the tires, but we're gonna get skinnier tires for all of them. You already know we gotta go Hot Boy on them. But these, trying to get them to stay open. These are the wheels I got. They're the Carbine Sprints, and they are in good condition. There's not a lot of curb rash on them, so that's pretty good. But honestly, they do look really nice, and they do look better when it's on a slammed car. When it's in a meaty setup, I wasn't really fond of them because I was trying to look for some and I was debating. But these are actually pretty sick. As you can see, it's a hybrid black finish. They are 5x1143 and 5x120. I actually want to use these to drift along with my other wheels and just swap them back and forth. Since they are 5x1143 as well, it's gonna fit Nissan and Infiniti, so I'm gonna be able to swap it with Gonzo or even Bruce, because Bruce's Hyundai also has that too, and then Martin's G. So that'll be pretty fucking sick to just be able to switch wheels and let them borrow them just so they can use them whenever they want. But yeah, I wanted another set of wheels because originally I was going to buy, I had some money saved up, so I was going to buy a whole muffler system, a Borla exhaust for my car.
Why?
Why? Because the new fucking exhaust law.
We'll talk about it later on.
We'll do a video on it because everyone's overhyping that shit. Honestly, it's not even that bad. Yeah. Back to the main point. I was going to buy an exhaust system, and I was thinking, why not do something that's actually gonna change the look of my car right now, just because it is the new year, and I want to change things up a little bit. So it's gonna be pretty dope to run those wheels, and there's dogs yelling, but it's gonna be really fucking sick to see those wheels on my car. And I'll probably mount them if we get home on time because I do have to work tonight. And if we don't, we'll make a separate video with the tires on, actually mounting them. And I apologize for making so many wheel videos because before this, we uploaded Stephanie's Miata getting some wheels, but wheels are life, you know what I mean?
Get it! Oh, that hurt. It's so light.
That shit's sick.
This one's heavier, look.
Whenever Stephanie and I are by LA, we always try to go to Raising Cane's, and we never get to. I've only been there once. She's probably been there more than me. But since Martin's our driver, we had to show him what Raising Cane's is. So we're gonna ask him. How do you feel about this?
He hasn't even tried
Review it. Unbox reviews.
Try it with the sauce though, actually.
Tastes like McDonald's.
What the fuck?
We finally made it home, and Stephanie is sleeping.
Hi.
Ooh, look at my car.
Danny was about to like wake you up all crazy. I'm like, no, it'll be nice.
No.
You're gonna scream again?
No, I swear. Before we end the video, I want to try on both the fronts and the rears just to see what I'm gonna have to work with if they don't fit, because these are 18 by 8.5 plus 30, I believe. The wheels that we got are 18 by 9.5 plus 22 or 25, something like that. So it should fit. It'll be a little wider because these fronts are running 20mm spacers. The rear is 10. So hopefully they will. What do you think?
I can't wait to see them, to see how they look.
I'm not gonna try on the ones with the tires because those are big ass tires. We're gonna get.
I know. I was looking at it. I was like, wait, that's freaking huge.
Let me take your legs. Are gonna fit though. Scary. Fuck.
We don't fit?
No.
Damn.
I'm gonna take new lug nuts.
Damn. Hey, they look really good though. So guys, what do you guys think? What do you think?
A good change.
Yeah, I feel like your car needed new wheels. It's been a while.
Yeah, these wheels are really nice, the ones I had or have still, but I think the new ones are gonna be really nice. I just
feel like
sucks that the lugs don't fit. I have old ones. They might be able to work.
I just feel like they go much better with like the whole aesthetic of your car now.
This is with both wheels on the car. I did raise the front just because I was trying to get the wood on this side to show you how the fitment's going to be, and with one wood I can't get the jack out, so I'm gonna put the regular wheels back on and then put all the 3 woods on the rear and then show you guys how the rear is going to tuck. The rears are going to have to either be pulled or cambered to fit the rear setup, and that's just because it is poking out quite a bit. But if we stretch this tire, I'm pretty sure we can clear it. And the lug nuts aren't tightened all the way, so there is a little gap right here, probably like 3 or 4 millimeters. So it should go in a little bit more, but obviously we can't really tell until they're on the car with the tires. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna head over to Eden's shop so he can put on some tires for me, and we're gonna test around with the fitment, see what we can fit, and just go from there. And if not, I'll probably just buy the tires for the fronts and just rock two different wheel setups, because I'm scared to fit that. Now it's gonna be time where I really make some poke fitment, which is gonna be cool. It's just gonna be time consuming, and I'm probably gonna waste a lot of money trying to figure this thing out. So yeah, hope you guys liked the new wheels. But on that note, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, share, and we'll see you guys in the next one.